7 Best Ways to Increase Natural Light in Your Home. Look out your window right now. See those overhangs created by your roof? Those are eaves. Either they are left open, as shown in this picture, or covered up with a horizontal soffit. Painting walls and ceilings white or another light color may seem like a no-brainer for adding more light, and it is. But if you're not quite convinced, consider these tips. Paint manufacturer Sherwin-Williams notes, the higher the gloss level, the higher the light reflectance, more light will bounce off a surface painted with a high gloss paint than one with a matte sheen. Glass tiles are the next best thing to installing mirrors on your kitchen or bathroom backsplash. Not the easiest fix but an effective one, replacing sections of your exterior wall with glass block brings in a fair amount of natural light where otherwise no light would be entering your home. Skylights are an amazingly effective way of pulling in natural light. In fact, skylights are often called windows for the roof. Not only do they present as much glazing area as a medium-sized window, they also face upward where the sun is located. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.